Hello everybody, and welcome back to a little bit of progress on the 1350 TOS Enterprise that I've been working on now for just, well, way too damn long. As you can see here, got a little bit of mock-up. This section is nearly complete, despite all the rat's nest going on up in there. That's the way that it looks almost complete. And of course, once it's closed up, you won't see any of that. And that's just because it's taken too long, changed mine, and some things have changed from its original plan. But it is nearly there. Got a couple more steps on this, and then we're done. What I've done so far, the past few days, is actually had my first go at SMD lights. I've never used these before, but ordered up some. There they go. Incredibly tiny, but it's just same as working with a regular LED light. They're just extremely small. So yeah, bifocals in the glasses are really coming in handy right about now. We've got two. One right here that will be just at the end right here. I think there's like a little observation window right here for shuttle bay above with the doors, and then that little dome that sits back here. And then the other is right here above the shuttle bay, illuminating inside of there quite nicely. And there we go. The shuttle bay is just stuck in there for right now. It's not actually glued in as yet. Of course, you test fit this thing 50 million times, and then you go to glue it in. Then when you put the other side of the secondary hull in, of course, it doesn't work. Last time I built this, I think I said this before, there's literally a 1/8 inch, or well, I can't remember how thick it was, but it was this. Here we go, amongst the mess. However thick that is literally what I had going along the end seam here to fill in before I put putty. This is just how well it went together. Model is epic, except for that one little bit right there. It really made this thing for you to buy their lighting kit. I ain't gonna. Not yet, anyway. One of these days I am, though, because I want to put it together with it. And have just an ease and do it, just on-screen build. Just be... I've never done one. But anyway... It's fun. It's fun. It's fine. It's a little trimming here and there. But yeah. Pretty much everything's in. This fiber optic you see standing up right here is actually coming from the front, which is bent right there, which is part of that right there. And that is that spot that I have, and it really does illuminate that right there. I think I showed that in the last video. It's nice. I love that thought. Worked out super well. I just hope the other areas where I want to do fiber optics will work as well as that one. These two right here, I mean, as part of what's left on here actually is getting these fiber optic, because they're very stiff. This is very, very, very stiff fiber optic that I'm using with this.